today I'm SVG on the track, and this is parkour brother right here, my main man Braden, and Brennan right here coming up, 6th grade right now. Yeah, but as you probably noticed, we aren't there tonight, but we're sending you news from Jamaica, this beautiful Jamaica, and we're here on a mission trip, Blue Dog mission, and but we wanted to send you the announcements anyway. So Chick-fil-A Spirit Night tonight. From like, what is it?
5 till 9.
5 to 9. There's Ryan on the camera, by the way. 5 to 9, so make sure you go out there and support them. They give a percentage of proceeds to us for our trips and stuff like this. So make sure to go and support them as they support us. And also Breakout Weekend. I think we only had like 4 sign up the last time we checked. But that's a weekend in August, either the 17th and 18th or the 24th and the 25th. I'm not really sure. Ryan says it's the 17th and 18th, but whatever. Check with Cody. If you want to go sign up, it's free, and it's for leaders if you want to lead. So it's going to be a great weekend. It's going to be awesome, obviously, if it's endorsed by Cody. So go see him and sign up if you want to go. Good opportunity there. I think that's all we got. So, yeah, we're sending from Jamaica, and we'll see you guys soon. So.